Alright guys, so today's a big day. I got something I've been waiting for a long time, something I've been meaning to do, something I probably should have done, and that is I finally got a legit welder. So I got a Hobart handler 190 with the spool gun and all the regulator attachments. We're about to weld that up. So time to dethrone the Harbor Freight special right here. Although at least it's 220, but this is aluminum wire, and the aluminum wire is no good in the Harbor Freight welder. You just get a big bird's nest over here all the time. So right now I will unbox the Hobart for you guys, show you guys what you get. Alrighty, so first of all, got a pretty legit hose with a nice durable connector. Nice connector there. Nice brass tip. Button feels good. Seems like it's a lot heavier quality than the Harbor Freight. Here's the included regulator. This also seems like it's a lot nicer than my Harbor Freight one. I wouldn't say it's as quality as the one that I use for air conditioning, which actually, it's right, oh, nope, I don't have it over here. But the one I use for AC is actually a little bit nicer than that. Some gasless flex core, which maybe I'll use some of this on the Harbor Freight, but I plan on just leaving this one set up as gassed and not really using it gasless. Here is the grounding cable, which, as you can see, this has like triple the spring tension, a lot better clamps than the Harbor Freight one. Got a instruction manual with a little gas line. Some sort of tool, probably for gauging the size of, or the thickness of the wire that you're using. Here is the Spool Runner 100, which is included in the kit. So this will make it so I can actually do some aluminum. So I'll open this up real quick. Manual for it. Oh, that is pretty cool. That's sweet. So the aluminum spool just goes right in there, feeds straight out the front, the gas bypasses around, and wow, this is awesome. This is going to be such a game changer in doing quality aluminum welds. I really can't wait. Oh, this is just my invoice. And then, what you guys have all been waiting for, the welder itself. Wow. That is a lot nicer than my Hobart. Super fancy. So, yeah, as you can see, 1 through 6 on the front. It's got a nice firm click to the rotary switch. This is smooth, so I guess it's infinitely changeable. And yeah, I'm gonna hook up the spool gun, rig the gas to it, and I'll show you guys what's up. We're gonna try some welding. Should be awesome. Alright, so everything all rigged up, got it grounded, using the spool gun with some aluminum, and I guess we're about to see what happens. So you can see as the heat built up, I kind of burned through, but way better than what was happening Alright, so overall, I'm pretty happy with it. There's another look at the whole rig, kind of sitting there with the spool gun, all that stuff, and here's what I was able to do with it. So, I mean, obviously these aren't like perfect, well, I won't show you those ones. So yeah, overall, pretty sweet. Way better than using my Harbor Freight one. A lot more reliable. I probably just did more, that amount of welding, I would probably have to mess with the machine like 5 or 6 times to get it to weld well with the Harbor Freight one. So, there you go. Hobart Handler 190 with the spool gun. Works pretty awesome. Real happy with the purchase. And yeah, that's all.